The transfer window is not yet closed, so the transfer business at Kaizer Chiefs is not yet done. Even though we have positioned players, we have we have squad numbers, we know our squad, but the transfer window is not yet over. So namhlanje I will discuss the position that Kaizer Chiefs wants to strengthen, and a new player is linked with Kaizer Chiefs, new fresh out of from the box. You will get it here in this channel. So without further ado, Bafethu, let's jump straight into the video together.
Welcome to the Amakosi Stand podcast, your premier destination for deep analysis and the latest updates on the beautiful game, where every kick tells a story.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakosi Stand podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa. I am your host, Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Ekresana. Namhlanje bafethu nginiphathele zona zishisa. As you know, bafethu, as usual, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below bafethu ngitshela ukuthi ngicabangani nge-content enginiphathele yona. So bafethu, we all know ukuthi season has started, 3 games in. The league is shaping up. So the transfer window is still open, and some clubs are still making business, but not most of the clubs. But definitely some of the club will pull up some crazy deals, and Kaizer Chiefs are one of those clubs that are looking to strengthen their squad for this season because it has started. So they want a good squad depth, quality players, and players who are ready and willing to perform when they are needed. So, Bafethu, I'll discuss the position that Kaizer Chiefs wants. Not that Kaizer Chiefs, as fans, we want them to sign. No, the coach himself said he wanted this position. First position that Kaizer Chiefs coach Fernando de Cruz wants to strengthen is the left back. Of course, he wants to strengthen a left back because Brady Cross doesn't really have the competition at his position, and when Frosler is playing at that left position, is not at his best. But we'll see. We'll see who can Kaizer Chiefs approach to sign as a backup left back of Bradley Cross. We know we have like 2 left backs on Marco and Ukanyiso Shinga, but they are nowhere to be found. They are just there to, yeah. I don't even want to talk about them, but hopefully they will come back before the season go further, and then try to give Bradley Cross a competition and try to prove themselves ukuthi they can compete for that left back position. I know we have a youngster on Unkwesa, but he's still a prospect. He's not a full product yet. So let's hope Kaizer Chiefs can find someone to really compete with Bradley Cross on that left position. Uh, Another position that Fernando de Cruz talked about was a striker. Striking position is important. So if a striker has a bad error, for instance, let's take a example of Umbutsuma at Orlando Pirates. Right now, he's going in a bad era. So if they had a proper and a good striker, he wouldn't have that pressure right now. So Kaizer Chiefs should act fast for Kaizer Chiefs strikers to not like carry the pressure. So I think Kaizer Chiefs will also look at the market for a striker. I think for a striker they need to go out of the country and look for someone who's really good at their striking position, who will compete with Uta Silva. Another position that Fernando de Cruz talked about was a midfielder, attacking midfielder. someone who will compete with the likes of Lukman Man. I know with Lukman Man, he's not playing there mostly, but it is his natural position. Someone who will try to challenge uChislet and Mdudu Shabalala, Abankosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. So I think he needs something fresh on that attacking midfielder number 10 position. Those are the positions that were mentioned by Fernando de Cruz, and he wants to strengthen the squad with those positions. It's not that the players who plays there are bad. He wants a depth for the squad. I think he won't go and try to find someone who's really good who will come and just take the position from the players that we have. If that happens, it's good, but then I don't think they'll look for someone who's willing to be a rotation, who's willing to be a squad depth and fight for the position if it happens. We have big most lots of games this season, and there is a surprise player that Kaizer Chiefs is currently linked with. And before I tell you that player, you might be surprised because on that side we have many players fighting for the same position. Before I tell you, please make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. Noma yini oyifunayo, I won't tell you what to comment. So the player that has recently been linked with Kaizer Chiefs, he was linked last year, 2025, I remember. He was linked with a move to Kaizer Chiefs, but Orlando Pirates was in for him, and also Mamelodi Sundowns sees him as a next Emodao. So this guy is playing for Polokwane City. He's a right back, Mathuludi. So Thabang Mathuludi, is one of the best right backs in South Africa, right? The problem is he's playing for Polokwane, and Kaizer Chiefs have Reef Rosler, Dylan Solomons, and Thabiso Monyane on that right back position. Now, the twist is here. Hear me out. Kaizer Chiefs are now interested in Mathuludi. Why Kaizer Chiefs are now interested in Mathuludi? Because they have more players, enough players, and good players for that position. First, Dylan Solomon's contract has this is the last year of Dylan Solomon. He might not do his contract again. Maybe he's playing for the last time. So we have Frosler and Thabiso Monyane. Even Frosler is not certain he will be playing for the next 2 or 3 years of Kaizer Chiefs. So that's why Kaizer Chiefs is now looking at Thabang Mathuludi from Polokwane City. Secondly, allegedly the player is not interested on playing at Polokwane City anymore because he knows his qualities. He knows what he deserves, a place where he will be more recognizable. Clubs like Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, and Orlando Pirates, he will be there and recognizable. But why Kaizer Chiefs are so interested? Here's the interesting part. Kaizer Chiefs are interested because Mathuludi himself will really love to join the Kaizer Chiefs. It is his destiny to join the Kaizer Chiefs. Those are the reports, not me. Those are the reports. Yeah. So the player is interested in joining Kaizer Chiefs, but other clubs can come in and take him because his desire is to play in the big clubs. But the clubs that he would really love to join is Kaizer Chiefs. We know where the history of Kaizer Chiefs and Polokwane is not good. It's not really good. They blocked our transfer for Apolis, and when Orlando Pirates came in, they just gave him a green light. But Asikolabo, but the player himself is so interested in joining Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know what to say about this situation, but because we have lots of players there, but maybe Kaizer Chiefs would make a plan for him to fit in the squad. I don't know. But what can you say about this news of Thabang Mathuluti? Do you think Kaizer Chiefs should sign him, go all in for him, or they should just let him go and play in another club to showcase his talent? And we all know how talented is this guy. So this is a surprise. I didn't know what Kaizer Chiefs might be looking at a right back right now, but shocking they are, and it is because the player wants to join the club, but not confirmed yet. Don't come at me, guys, and say, no, please. I am not saying that these rumors are confirmed, but there are rumors around social, and we have to discuss about them because I know last year Kaizer Chiefs were interested in Mathuluti because uh, before the season started, we didn't know what we were going to get Monyane, but we got Monyane, and then his story went cold. Yeah, but now it is back and active, and it will develop September. Yeah, I think September, in the middle of in the middle of September. So Kaizer Chiefs might do some business. 2 or 3 players might come in to Kaizer Chiefs. So you can comment down below. Ngitshela ukuthi ucabangani with these rumors of Thabang Mathuluti down below. Thank you for watching the video, bafethu. See you on another one. Danko.